Okay, guys, I think you may have a two types of problem in this particular model. One is this particular area, and second one is this force, like a cloth. So we'll concentrate on this. That means the extrudes and then the cloth. Both will do that. Okay. First, we'll take the box in the front view with the good segments. Segments count 10, 10. Depth, there's no segments. Okay. And then convert into a edit poly. And then vertex mode. Select the vertices. Wherever you need a extrude, you can select those vertices. Now, modify list. I'm trying to find connect. Here, we are trying to find the connect. Wherever the vertices we selected, those vertices will get connected by using the edge. Let me try to connect. Okay, it's got connected. Now, this particular vertices should be extruded. I think I need to select one more line. Okay, do the connect. Then need to do the extrude. This extrudes. Okay, but I need to push it to the other way around. It is fine now. At this time, undo it. Do the extrude option box. So we can connect and control that in a minus area, negative point or positive point. Okay. Then press the tick mark. Now we need to extrude on this edges also. So go to the edge mode. The next point is go to the edge mode. Try to move. So the selections to edge mode. Shortcut is press 2. This one is press 1. Vertices mode. Edge mode is 2. Select the edges before we do extrude. I hope I selected everything. Then can go to the extrude. Now this much of depth. I'm going depth this much. It's all creative freedom. It's your creative freedom. Then press OK. Now we need to do the smoothness. I'm just coming out from the wireframe mode. Function F4. Okay, see, we missed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Better undo. Function F4. Go to the edge mode again. Okay. Okay, I'm double check. All the selection is correct. Now we can go to the extrude. Negative. Thickness is less. Now it is fine. Go to the modifier list and try to find out turbo smooth. TURBO smooth. Okay. We got a quality mesh. Function F4 to come back from the wireframe mode. In this turbo smooth, we can increase the smoothness to 2 or 3. More smoothness or more quality. Also, we're missing over here, here. Okay, over here also we're missing. But the concept is this. The second one from top view. Then make sure this doesn't, I mean, this segment is not necessary for this. Very less as possible. I'm increasing the chamfer. Use a duplicate. Scale it lesser. Okay. Now, this chamfer, we already have the chamfer. Only thing is increase this, the depth, radius bias, threshold. I'm just changing some presets to identify, change the color. Now we have two objects. One is this, another one is this. Now, here's the major thing is cloth. Okay, normally the cloth is a dynamics. Anything you can convert it as a cloth. For that cloth, we need something to collide. So this is a collider and this is the cloth. For example, first we need to convert this as a cloth and convert this as a rigid body. Okay. Other simulations is going to be a dynamic. We'll talk when we are talking about the dynamic section. This is called a mass effect. It is also used for modeling. It will make our work simpler. That's why I'm connecting the cloth, which is used for dynamic, into a modeling. Right click on your window, mass effects tool. Now, this is a rigid body. The first one is a rigid body. You can see, select the rigid body, and this one is going to be a cloth. The second one is a cloth, set as a cloth, and set as a rigid body. Okay, when you hold the rigid body to the left mouse button, you have this 3 type, but I need a static rigid body. Just click the static rigid body and this one, click here, set as a selected as a cloth. Now play the button. That's it. The same method, we create the plane. But here only one catch. The segments should be more. Now it is 20, but I need to increase into 30, 30. You can see more segments. Now, this is going to be a cloth, and this is going to be a rigid body. So select this, click this, it's going to be a rigid body, and select this, click this, it's going to be a cloth. And that's it, just play. It's called a simulation. Yes. Now, go back to the first frame. We need this one into an angular. Take this into an angle. Other way around. Now play. Maybe simulate. Stop. Go back to the first frame. It's like a trial and error. Okay. I feel it's fine. Once you're okay with the result, okay, see, this is not a passive, so it is going to collide inside. I'll go back again to the first frame, select this passive rigid body. Now you can see this triangulated thing. It is called a rigid body. It's converted as a rigid body. Better I delete the example sphere. Please. Okay, once you feel it is finalized, you can go to the list, edit, poly again, so that it is converted from the cloth to edit poly. So if you go back to the first frame, you can see it still sustained the shape. Now it is no more dynamic. Right click, convert to editable poly. Now you can see it's no more cloth, no more dynamic. It's become a mesh. Okay, again right click on a dodge window, mouse effects toolbar off. Now the cloth is ready. Okay, if you have any other questions, please ask me specifically. Okay, guys. Thank you.